welcome back to my channel. In this video guide I will show you how to fix Marvel Token Fighting Souls game crashing on not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button, then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, launch the game and check. Next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to the PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Here choose console storage and then tap on delete option. Next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable. Then select rebuild database. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Marvel Token Fighting Souls game, click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting. Next method is to check for game updates. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for update option. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on PS5. Choose system. Now go to system software, select system software update and settings, choose update system software. Finally choose update using internet option. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. First go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last choose restore option as shown in the image. Next is to reinstall Marvel Token Fighting Souls game. For that, highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on a controller. Then select delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Marvel Token Fighting Souls game again to check for the error. Next is to contact support. So if the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should contact PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. They will better suggest you the solution and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for in this video. Thank you.